You know what's crazy? Some people actually eat so well, sleep 8 hours a day, but still wake up tired like they never rested. And no, it's not like you are lazy, no. It's just your body shutting down energy production because something is missing inside your body. That's why your tiredness never goes away no matter what you do. Your body cells use magnesium to create energy to fuel you. But this is very interesting. Too much caffeine from these energy drinks that are supposed to boost you, stress, or poor diet drains your magnesium, and hence your body can't complete this energy cycle. So you can sleep long, eat well, but still feel so tired and weak. In Ghana, most of us skip the real meals because of our busy schedule and live on energy drinks, noodles, and sometimes late night snacks. I mean, you'll be energized for a bit, but then again, you'll be tired. It's not like you're lazy. No, Ghanaians, we are not lazy. It's just your body running low on magnesium and other important ingredients. So this is what you should do. Very simple. Feed your body back on 8 energy minerals. Focus on food rich in magnesium, iron, or B vitamins. Just think of spinach, contombre, banana, oats, etc. I have this video that talks about 5 food rich in magnesium that can help with your tiredness. Check on it after this video. And if your diet isn't enough, you can also use magnesium supplements with the advice of your pharmacist. I have this other video that talks about the best form of magnesium supplement that can help with your tiredness. Check them out. I'll leave the 2 video links in the description. So guys, I'm Dr. Leon. I give you straightforward pharmacy and health. So if you are here for no long talks, subscribe, put me on notification, and stay tuned for the next interesting video. I know you will like it. Bye bye, I'm out.